Question 6 on ratios. Find the ratio x is to y. A equals 3x equals to 4y, B is ax minus by equals to 0, C is 5x equals to minus 7y, and D is 3x plus 5y equals to 0. This is kind of a different question. We have given you kind of equation here, right? With two different variables x and y, and we want you to write the ratio x is to y. Basically, we want you to write this as x over y is equals to what? This is the question, right? So how can you do that? Now here what we should do is we want x over y, right? So let's divide both sides by y, right? Let's divide both sides by y. So if you divide both sides by y, you get 3x over y equals to 4, correct? Because y and y will cancel out, or right? Do you see? Let me show you first. So it is 4y. I'm dividing both sides by y, right? So when I do that, then I can cancel this y, correct? Correct? So what do I get? I get 3x over y equals to 4, right? But what I need? I only need x over y, correct? So let's do one thing. Now let's divide by 3 also both sides. Both sides I'm dividing by 3. Now this 3 will cancel out, right? And so what do I get? I get x over y equals to 4 over 3. Do you see that? So that is my answer. X over y equals to 4 over 3. Correct? So that is how I'm going to do it. This question, 5x equals to minus 7y, I'll leave it for you to do. So you do it yourself, this one, which is very similar to what we did in A, right? Okay, now let's do this one. Now here it is ax minus by equals to 0. So first step, what we will do is we'll add by to both sides. So we get ax minus by plus by equals to by, right? 0 plus by, which is by. So we get ax equals to by. Now this is very similar to what we have already had, correct? So we'll follow the same method, right? This time what we will do is we will divide both sides by, we don't want a and we don't want y, right? Ay. So we'll divide by a times y, and see what do we get. Now from here y and y will cancel. Here a and a will cancel. Cancel means a divided by a is 1. So we get x over y equals to y over y is 1 equals to b over a. Do you see that? So basically in both the cases we kind of get cross multiplied. Do you see that? So that is the result in general, right? So most of the equations or ratios can be solved like this. Now I'm leaving C and D for you to do, correct? So do it yourself. Now let me write this, what we observed here, kind of in this fashion here. Let's say P, now I'm writing different variables, right? PQ equals to RS, right? Then what we can do is we can bring this one here and that one here, correct? So we can write this as Q over R equals to S over P. So this is how we can do it, right? So that is what we have seen in these examples. I'd like you to do these on your own to practice and then gain some confidence. Thank you. Good luck.